Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Hyundai Tucson features. The Hyundai Tucson stands as a true embodiment of modern automotive excellence, seamlessly blending innovation, luxury, and performance. Positioned in a high-end showroom, it commands attention with its bold presence and cutting-edge design. Every curve, every line, and every feature is meticulously crafted to redefine what an SUV should be. The illuminated Hyundai Tucson branding on the elegant showroom wall reinforces its identity as a premium vehicle, built to exceed expectations. The ambiance is set to perfection, with sophisticated lighting reflecting off the Tucson's aerodynamic body, accentuating its sculpted silhouette. This is not just a car on display, it is a statement of refined engineering and contemporary aesthetics. From the front, the Tucson captivates with its striking parametric grille that seamlessly integrates with the signature LED daytime running lights. The futuristic headlamp design enhances visibility while adding a distinctive character to its face. The sculpted hood flows effortlessly into the streamlined body, reflecting Hyundai's commitment to aerodynamics and efficiency. Every inch of the Tucson's exterior speaks of sophistication, from the sleek body lines to the intricately designed alloy wheels that add a touch of sportiness. The side profile showcases an athletic stance, complemented by chrome-accented window trims and seamlessly integrated flush door handles. The bold wheel arches house high-performance tires, ensuring a perfect blend of style and capability. At the rear, the Hyundai Tucson continues to impress with its futuristic LED taillights connected by a seamless light bar, enhancing its modern appeal. The hidden rear wiper ensures an uninterrupted, clean design, while the sculpted rear bumper adds an extra layer of robustness. The dual-tone skid plate reinforces its adventurous spirit, making it clear that this SUV is built for both urban sophistication and off-road capability. The dynamic roofline flows gracefully, enhanced by a panoramic sunroof that brings natural light into the luxurious cabin. The attention to detail in every aspect of the Tucson's exterior design showcases Hyundai's relentless pursuit of perfection. Stepping inside, the Hyundai Tucson welcomes you into an environment of comfort, elegance, and technological advancement. The premium cabin materials, soft-touch surfaces, and intricate stitching highlight a dedication to craftsmanship. The dashboard is designed with a futuristic approach, featuring a seamlessly integrated digital instrument cluster that provides real-time driving information with exceptional clarity. At the center, a high-definition touchscreen infotainment system offers intuitive controls for navigation, entertainment, and smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The multifunctional steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, places all essential controls within easy reach, ensuring a smooth and convenient driving experience. The Tucson's seating is engineered for supreme comfort, offering ample legroom and ergonomic support. The front seats are ventilated and heated, catering to all weather conditions, while the spacious rear seats provide passengers with a relaxing journey. The dual-zone climate control system ensures a personalized experience, maintaining the perfect temperature for every occupant. The panoramic sunroof enhances the cabin's openness, making every ride feel more immersive and connected to the surroundings. The ambient lighting, customizable to different moods, further elevates the sense of sophistication inside the Tucson. Every inch of the interior reflects Hyundai's commitment to luxury, innovation, and passenger well-being. Safety is at the core of the Hyundai Tucson's design, with Hyundai SmartSense providing an array of advanced driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control ensures a stress-free highway experience, while lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring add extra layers of protection. The forward collision warning system, paired with automatic emergency braking, enhances safety by detecting potential hazards and responding instantly. The surround view camera system offers a 360-degree perspective, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Additionally, the Tucson's reinforced structure and multiple airbags ensure maximum protection in case of unforeseen events. Every feature is designed to provide confidence on the road, making safety a top priority. Under the hood, the Hyundai Tucson offers a range of efficient yet powerful engine options, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants for eco-conscious drivers. The all-wheel drive system provides superior traction and stability, adapting seamlessly to various terrains. Whether cruising through city streets or exploring rugged landscapes, the Tucson delivers an exceptional driving experience. The Drive Mode selector allows customization of performance, enabling drivers to choose between comfort, sport, and eco modes for a tailored driving feel. The refined suspension system absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride regardless of the journey ahead. Beyond performance, the Hyundai Tucson is designed for convenience and everyday practicality. The hands-free smart power tailgate provides effortless access to the spacious cargo area, making loading and unloading hassle-free. The rear seats can be folded to expand cargo space, offering versatility for various needs. The Tucson's intelligent key system allows for seamless entry and ignition with just the push of a button. The remote start function ensures the cabin is at the perfect temperature before you even step inside. Hyundai's connected car technology enables remote monitoring and control through a smartphone app, adding an extra layer of convenience and security. As the Hyundai Tucson takes center stage in the luxurious showroom, its presence is undeniable. The polished floor reflects its commanding stance, while the ambient lighting accentuates its sophisticated design. The illuminated branding on the showroom wall reinforces its reputation as a game-changer in the SUV segment. This is more than just a car, it is a vision of the future, a testament to Hyundai's innovation, and a perfect balance of elegance and power. Every detail, from its aerodynamic lines to its feature-packed interior, speaks of a vehicle that is designed to redefine expectations. Hyundai's legacy of reliability, innovation, and excellence continues with the Tucson, setting new benchmarks in the SUV category. The seamless integration of smart technology, premium comfort, and dynamic performance makes it an ideal choice for modern drivers. Whether navigating through bustling city streets or embarking on adventurous road trips, the Tucson ensures an experience that is both exhilarating and secure. It is a vehicle crafted for those who demand more, offering the perfect fusion of practicality and luxury. The Tucson is not just about transportation, it is about enhancing every journey, transforming the way we perceive SUVs. The advanced connectivity features, voice recognition, and AI-driven systems ensure that every interaction with the Tucson is intuitive and effortless. The navigation system, equipped with real-time traffic updates, ensures the most efficient routes are taken, saving time and enhancing convenience. Hyundai's focus on sustainability is evident in the Tucson's eco-friendly design elements, reflecting a commitment to a greener future. Hyundai has redefined what it means to drive an SUV with the Tucson. Its bold design, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled comfort make it a vehicle that stands out in any setting. The comprehensive warranty and strong after-sales support showcase Hyundai's confidence in its craftsmanship and reliability. This is more than just an SUV, it is an experience, a statement, and a reflection of progress in the automotive world. As the spotlight shines on the Hyundai Tucson, its presence in the showroom is nothing short of breathtaking. The blend of modernity, power, and sophistication makes it a true icon in its segment. This is a vehicle that inspires, captivates, and elevates the driving experience to new heights. The Tucson is not just a car, it is the future of mobility, crafted to perfection for those who seek the extraordinary. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.